Hi guys, this is my 100 items declutter challenge. I did it before and it was pretty fun, so I thought that I'll do it again, vlog style. So let us just begin. We are starting off the declutter with a handphone. This is a Samsung G, I don't know, something phone, Galaxy maybe. And then since I'm giving this away, okay, so I'm going to I found this wire, Samsung wire, and also this like Apple head, so a set so that the person can charge the phone. And also I'm decluttering this GoPro battery. It's supposed to have, like over here, this part is supposed to have a plastic tab, but that broke off, so I had to use a knife to get this out from my GoPro. And I'm never gonna put this back, I'm just throwing this. This is like $40, but if that tab breaks, then goodbye to your money. Today we are decluttering all the blackhead nose patch that I have. Others asked me for it. I didn't even know that I have this in my collection, so I even wrote down the instructions for them. This one is from Labotech, and I have these two from APU, and I have a ton of all these like different stacks of wedding program papers. So I've read through them as reference, and now I'm going to chuck this bunch away. This just keep adding up as the wedding comes nearer. I've been decluttering my items, and today my husband came to me and said that he wants to declutter these 3 of his items, which are 3 new shirts that he has but he hasn't been wearing them, and it's this grey one, blue, and a white shirt. Today's declutter is 2 more shirts that my husband wants to declutter, a blue and a white one, and then this bag over here. I have it in a plastic bag because I'm ready to give it to someone else, and all the accessories, like the different straps, are all inside here. Okay, I promise this is the last of the Uniqlo shirts that he is decluttering, the last blue and the white ones. I have 2 new shadows from Australis. These are the Metallics eyeshadow, and I have 2 different shades. One is a silver one, and then this one over here is a gold color one. So I decided that I will be keeping this gold color one, and then this silver one, I'll pass it on to my friend. Today I am decluttering something different. It is these 3 books over here. This is a dress that I kept in my last closet declutter, and I said that I want to use the scissors to cut off that necklace over there because I like the fit of the dress, but I really did not like this part of it. So now I cut it off. I'm going to declutter it, but instead of throwing it out, I'm going to pass it along to someone else as like a accessory, I would say, a choker perhaps. Today I am decluttering a lace bralette. It's pretty, but I do not wear it, so I shouldn't be keeping it. And this looks like one item, but it's actually a pack of 10. It is a floral belt, so I'm just going to pass this on brand new in the packet. Decluttering some food today. I don't eat mala and I don't eat nuts, but I know that my sister does, so she's going to enjoy this instead. So if you live in Singapore, you will know that everybody reuses plastic bags as rubbish bags. Red one means that you tapao food and it's a smaller bag. And then the other bags with like the brand on it, they are supermarket bags, which I prefer to use as rubbish bags. So I'm decluttering this bag of small plastic bags. I think I have decluttered around 20 items so far, so I'm really far from my 100 items. So today we're tackling clothes. I have over 100 pieces here, so I'm sure that I can meet my 100 and surpass it. T-shirt number 1, and then this is another t-shirt. Oh, I have the white version of this. Okay, I'm not gonna look for it right now, but it's somewhere in that pile. Okay, maybe I shouldn't open it. Just, this is a tank top. This is a t-shirt. These are 2 Scots. They're the same because I used to buy some stuff to sell. This pineapple t-shirt, I have 3. The editing me should be putting on a number counter somewhere in the screen. So yeah. One of these Scots, and then this is a top, shorts. This is Guns N' Roses t-shirt. Another black t-shirt. This is a cami t-shirt. I have 3 of this rainbow top. Not sure where it is, but this is just 2 right now. 2 of these dresses, blue dresses. This is a top. Oh, cotton on, I love it. This is a top. This is off the shoulder. Some thrifted long sleeve shirts that I'm not wearing. Oh, this is the white one, brand new with tags. And then I have this one, which is a top. Oh, strawberry shorts. I have another one over here. I'm getting a little bit worried about whether all these clothes can fit into this luggage. Now I have 2 pants and I found the other one. Okay, I'm going to fill up this side too. 2 of the same top. I have this skirt. This is a velvet coat and this is a velvet romper. Some pullovers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 crop tops, 2 pretty bustiers, 1 of this skirt, 1 of this bottom again, and then another bottom, another one. This is a maxi skirt, and then I have this crop top. Do I only have 1 of it? Yeah, I guess I only have 1 of it. 1 of these shorts. Oh, this is safety shorts. And then this is a lace t-shirt. I have a few of this. 2 of them says I need a hug. Let me just show it to you. So those 2, and then I have 2 of them that shows New York City. So those 2, oh my gosh. I'm gonna need to ask my husband to sit on the luggage. And then lace t-shirt. Okay, so I have a few of this tank top with this design on it. So 1, 2, 3, and then I have 1 of this hat tank top. Oh, another blue dress. Another off-the-shoulder top, and then I have this pullover. These 2 waterfall kind of skirts. This is like swallowing my luggage. You can't even see my luggage anymore. This is a maxi dress. Oh, I have another one of this skirt. Now I have some crop bustiers. This is 2 of the blue one, and then 2 of the green ones. And then I have a lot of black clothing over here. This is just a lace bralette. This crop top, I have another one of the same one over here. Oh, stay. Another crop top, I have 2 of this, and then I have this tank top. It's a shoelace tie-up tank top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there only 9? Thought I had more. My husband is decluttering some new shoes. So it's this yellow pair of shoes, and I have 4 pairs of them, so that's counted as 4. And then some of his shirts, a white one, another same white one, and then there is this light blue one and another blue one, and a stripes black one and a stripes pink one.